The date is December the 11th, 2008. It's early in the morning here in Mandeville, Louisiana. We're having a bit of what we would call a freak snowfall. Because let's face it, it just does not snow in South Louisiana very often. In fact, the record snowfall for this area is 4 inches, and that was in 1964. I don't think we're going to see 4 inches today. I'm not even sure how long this is going to stay on the ground. But at the moment, it's a couple of weeks before Christmas, and well, I'm not going to say we'll have a white Christmas, but it's pretty white out here right now. Scary thing is that no one around here has snow tires or chains or anything else to do with snow, because, well, we get it like once every 20 or 30 years. So I'm staying off the roads for a while. I think it might get a little crazy later on. But for now, it's very, very pretty. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.